So we are talking about transfer of gametes, means transfer of gamete. To remember this, in case of human beings, male gametes means sperms. Male gamete means sperms. This is motile. What male gamete, as we already know that it is motile, and the female gamete which is not motile. So the male gamete transfer during the sexual contact means intercourse, that is said when coitus is occur, means when male and female are physically contact, then what happen, the motile male gamete means the sperm which transfer to the vagina, to the female reproductive tract, and this process is known as assimilation. Insemination, because the sperm is motile, due to which travel to the fallopian tube. Sperm motile, and due to which it travel to the fallopian tube of the female reproductive system. Which part they reached travel from, which part, if you ask about which part they reached, means which part the sperm reaches, vagina of the first it reaches to the vagina, then vagina to the uterus, and uterus to then fallopian tube. Okay, after reaching the fallopian tube, there is function occur in there is a function occur in ambulatory infundibulum junction, is the fusion of male and female gamete, that is fertilization. Means the the sperm travel reaches to the vagina, then it reaches to the uterus, then in the fallopian tube, and in fallopian tube there is a junction that is known as ambulatory infundibulum, where the male and female gamete fuse. That process is known as fusion of male and female, process is known as fertilization. After the fertilization, the formation of zygote. If the male and female gametes are fused together, then the process is said to be zygote, or the zygote form. Then zygote will go to the uterus, and after that what will happen, another process will happen. What is the process? Is differentiation. What differentiation will going to be occur? This is the third process, in which what happen, the zygote which forms in a fallopian tube, it will undergo rapid division by, which is mitosis. Means the zygote which is formed by the formed in fallopian tube, it will undergo the rapid division, that is by mitosis. Okay, it will divide. Okay, the first division in zygote is known as cleavage. What it is said to be cleavage. Okay, and that leads to the formation of blastomers. What it leads to the formation of blastomers. This is the first division. If the second division occur, then what will happen? It will like 4 cell stage, and after the 4 cell stage, it will be 8 cell stage, then 16, and then 32, and so on. And I want to tell one more thing. The first division in zygote, what we called is cleavage. And the eighth division, 8 cell division, what we called is morula. What we call is morula. The first division is cleavage, 8th division is morula, and the 32 division, what we say is blastocyst, or in somewhere you are also have to study that blastocyst. It same, both the words are same, blastocysts or blastula. So this is the stage who come in the uterus, and the uterus innermost layer, which is called as endometrium. Okay, the blastocyst is going to be attached with womb, who is going to attach with the innermost layer of the uterus, and this process is said to be implantation. What is implantation? If the blastocyst attached to the innermost layer of the uterus, which is what we called as endometrium. Okay, there is a diagram in a book 3.3 diagram. You can see there is a layers of the uterus. Okay, so the blastocyst is attached to the innermost layer of the uterus, and this process is said to be implantation. It is said to be implantation. Okay, so next process is the implantation. We are going to study in the next video.